Let's learn phrasal verb and slang. Fable about. Phrasal verb.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, fable about. Contar uma fábula sobre algo ou alguém, narrar uma história fictícia com uma lição moral relacionada a algo, falar de maneira fantasiosa ou lendária sobre algum assunto.
But Broken Age it's a fable about a completely imaginary world.
Fable about the fragmentation of what we think of as religious truth.
Found in a fable about Ulysses, the ancient Greek warrior who, while sailing home, was told about the sirens.
He fabled about brave lions teaching wisdom to cubs. She fabled about forests protecting travelers during dangerous storms. They fabled about tiny birds solving kingdom problems wisely. Grandfather fabled about turtles winning races through patience alone. The teacher fabled about ants building communities through teamwork. He fabled about a fox teaching honesty to everyone. She fabled about rivers rewarding kindness with lasting prosperity. They fabled about eagles inspiring courage among fearful animals. Grandmother fabled about friendship overcoming every obstacle encountered daily. The author fabled about wolves respecting peace instead conflict. He fabled about dragons guarding treasures beneath ancient mountains. She fabled about magical trees granting wishes to dreamers. They fabled about enchanted lakes revealing secrets every night. Villagers fabled about giants protecting valleys from invading armies. Children fabled about unicorns spreading happiness across distant lands. Let's learn slang. She said bummer when she heard the bad news. Tough break, losing your job is really hard. He said tough break and comforted his friend. That was a rough one. I cannot believe it. She had a rough one at work today. She called the exam brutal and very unfair. No shot. He cannot win against that champion. She said no shot and laughed at the idea.